Hi everyone, today's picture I'm going to use this awesome art kit sent to me from a subscriber called Cooking for Bae. This is a really fun Christmas picture to draw. To begin with, you draw with the pencil lines swirls in the shape of figure eights back and forth. That is the shape of the tree, which also is the line for the lights. When you're satisfied and happy with the pencil drawing, you begin to outline it with black. And after the black outline is drawn in the shape of the tree, with figure eights back and forth, creating the shape of the tree, which also is the line for the Christmas lights. I then started adding the socket of the lights along the whole line. And after that, I'll start drawing the light bulbs, outlining the light bulbs in black. Along the bottom of the tree, you can write a Christmas message, Happy Holidays or Merry Christmas or whatever you choose. Here I'm adding the words Merry Christmas to the bottom of my Christmas tree, trying to make it look a little bit like calligraphy with just a regular pen. If you widen some of the lines of the letters, it almost looks like calligraphy without using a calligraphy pen. Graphics, lettering, and logos are my favorite part of any project. Now is the time to outline the light bulbs, just giving it sort of an oval, any shape, even circles. If you're unable to draw ovals with a point, just draw circles. Any kind of light will do. After filling in the lights with your favorite colors and rubbing the lights with a paper towel, it will leave the glow of the light and bring the picture to life. It makes such a beautiful Christmas card. Kids really like this too. They like filling it in and then rubbing the lights, and it just glows. Here I'm adding a purple color that I've chosen to the first light on top. And I've also chosen red and yellow and a pink, a green, and this light blue. And I think next time I would choose a darker blue. I like the light blue, but I think that it's a little bit too pastel for a Christmas light. They all look really nice the way they are, but as soon as we start to rub them, they're going to glow and almost twinkle. And this is the part of the picture that I look forward to the most. This is the most fun. Taking your paper towel and just rubbing around in circular motion each light, and one color at a time. Make sure to change the Kleenex or paper towel for each color so that the colors don't smear into each other. If you have a light that's not very bright and it doesn't have as much glow as it should, just add some more color and rub the color out. After you're finished with the lights, you can take a marker and add little embellishments of stars or little snowflakes around the edge and in between a few. And you can use a few different colors. I'm going to use a little bit of an orangish, yellowish color and a little bit of a purple color. And I have little starburst and tiny little stars that I'm adding. I used the oil pastels from the art set to color the lights on this Christmas tree. And so once again, I would like to thank Cooking for Bae for the art set, and hope everybody enjoyed this video, and see you next time.